What they mad for? In my bag, heard you little bitches mad, heard you mad, ho. What you mad for? Ho, I don't give a fuck. Big bang, got these motherfuckers big mad. Big bag, and they know that I'm that bitch niggas big mad.
What's up, gang, and welcome back to Plussize ByDefault. So today I will be showing you how I got this nice, pretty Valentine's Day themed eye look. Now, I didn't do my face, so don't be disappointed. But if you guys are interested in an updated foundation tutorial, I do not mind dropping one. If you have me on Instagram, you already know my foundation tutorial. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. That is one of the key essential things about knowing what's going on in my life or knowing what's going on with me and my channel is following me on Instagram. Okay, you guys? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel and to this video. Don't forget. Matter of fact, we're going to wait. We're going to get y'all a little second to do that. We're going to get y'all a little second. Okay. Now, stay tuned for the video. What's up, y'all? And welcome back to Plussize ByDefault. So I'm going to make this as simple as I can make it. Bear with me. Yeah, so I'm just pretty much going to do my makeup with y'all. And, you know, if you have any questions while I'm doing it, drop it down below. Let's just get started. So, I didn't clean my eyebrows up. I'm going to be using the LA Pro Conceal in Warm Honey. Now I use lighter concealer. I don't know why I do this. Well, yes I do. I use a lighter concealer because it just makes the colors pop, in my opinion. But whatever. Yeah, so you're just gonna use the concealer. I talked too far. This is gonna be a long ass tutorial, I promise. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35... What fucking palette is this? The Morphe 35M palette, the Boss Smooth palette. I like this palette because of... Look how vibrant it is. And on top of that, the name. Like, Boss Smooth. Like, period. You feel me? Like, I just love how Morphe... Some of their palettes be a little similar, but I ain't going to hold you. Some of their palettes be alright. So today, I'm going to start off with... I'm going to start off with this color right here, and I'm going to be using a crease brush. So you want to kind of get into the color. Like, I get into the color. Pretty much load your brush up with all that color. And then you're going to pat, wait, before I even do that, because I'm tripping. Make sure that your concealer is not like super wet either, but not dry. Now, now you want to take your color and go in your crease. So when it gets to a point in time where you can like start blending it out because you've put enough eyeshadow on, start doing that. Do it kind of nice and slow in like circular motions. It'll be nice and easy. You don't want to take it up no further than your crease. And being that I have hooded eyes, so now I just kind of relax my eyes, see where I need to put it, stick my brush in, open my eye, and blend out. Just like that. So it's not going to go anywhere I don't want it to go. And since they're doing a halo eye, just do like a half circle. Just that easy. Next, I'm going to take, and make sure you keep your brushes together. Next, I'm going to take this kind of off red. It's kind of like a dusty, where is it? Like a dusty red or like a brick red. I don't know. This red right here, this little dusty color. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna blend out this purplish burgundy. I don't know. I just find that pat motions work better. Trying to get the color on, and then you know you go from there and you blend it out. But just pat it on first and see how you like it. And you see how it kind of already gives me that blended effect, which makes my life a whole lot easier. So I really don't have to blend that out. That looks good. Like, we're going to leave that how that is. And then I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush. And I'm going to switch palettes because this palette does not have what I need right now. I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm going to take this peach shade right, this one right here. And we're going to use that as sort of like a transition color. You want to use it right above that other color. And we're going to use that to set that concealer that's right below my eyebrow. Alright, so oof, that blendo. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the same brush I used to apply that darker purple. So like I said before, keep them brushes together. And I'm gonna take that same purple and I'm just gonna darken my crease up a little more, just to give me a basis of where I need to be at. And you see it didn't change much, but it still kind of deepened it enough to where I know where I'm going. So now I'm gonna take this the LA Girl. I don't know where I put it, so you're just gonna have to trust me on this. Apply it right where it's blank, right, just like that. And then I'm gonna look up. Now just carve that out, but you don't want to go all the way to the end. So you want to start from the bottom as a guideline. So this is what you pretty much want it to look like. This is what you want, right? Now we're gonna be using the I Love Sarah, I think this is her name, I don't know. It's a Dose of Colors palette, the eyeshadow palette, champagne, like really really pretty, but it sort of has like this pink undertone, y'all. I promise, shit is busting. Oh, I had to get up close here because it is one too, but oh. Alright, so out of the same palette, I'm gonna take a pencil brush. Yep, if I can find it. Where? Yeah, as y'all can see, I'm not prepared for this damn video. Oh yes, I am. Found it. I'm gonna take Finders Keepers, which is, I think it's this one, or Loungy. I don't know. Y'all need to make this easier. I'm gonna take this black, this sparkly black, and I'm gonna use that around the edges of this this halo. And you want to be careful because you don't want to go too crazy. So first I'm gonna just pounce it on like the line of it, and then I'm gonna like start blending because black gets messy. Like that. Go back to your blending brush, and you want to take the first color that you used, which is like that burgundy that was in your crease, and you want to use that right on the outside of that black. And don't worry about it getting on the inside because we're still gonna go over that, but yeah, you want to use that to blend out that black so it's not so damn harsh. Yes, that's what you want. Woo woo. Somebody don't want to be in the video. So yeah, that's pretty much what you want it to look like. Now I'm gonna take the Revlon, because I really was dying for some glitter, y'all, no lie. So I'm gonna take the Revlon Eye Art, the PhotoReady Eye Art in the shade Topaz Twinkle 100, and I'm gonna mix it with my Makeup Forever glitter in the number 12. It's like this unicornish shade. It's mad pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the top, inside the top, and then I'm going to pop this on first. And this is kind of like, you know, like a gold glitter, but it still has that sort of silver shimmer. So I'm gonna use that on my lid first as a base for my glitter. And I'm going back and forth right in between everything. And before it dries, because you see it's not really giving me the pop that I'm looking for, I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna dip it into this glitter like so. And I'm just gonna start patting it across. You wanna go back in with your pencil brush for the last time and take a little bit more of this black and just use it on the outskirts of this glitter to get a nice fade. Nice little fade. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Next. Now, because I am dumb cheap. Not even dumb cheap. It's just like I haven't gotten around the time to get another white concealer. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use, where did I put it? On this eye I used the concealer, and then I just set it with some white eyeshadow. But I found that this Lip Lingerie matte eye tint in 14, they don't sell it no more, but it's white and I don't use it for nothing else, and it dried pretty well over here. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm about to just use it as an eyeliner. So I'm gonna pop a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna use my white brush to draw this damn line out. I gotta be fast because it does dry. Okay. I might be like 10 miles away back there, right? Like, sis, we can't even see what the fuck you're doing. Come closer. So I'm not gonna draw a liner. I'm just gonna draw it to the end of my eye, and then I'm gonna go up. This is how I did it on this side, because as you can see, it's not connected. What I did was I act like I was drawing a liner, whoop, and then I came. Hold on, I'm lying. How did I do it? I act like I was drawing a liner, then I came across into where, hold on, that didn't make any sense. Oh god, hold on. This is what I did. I act like I was drawing a liner, right? Came back down, and from the point that I came back down on, I drew my line out. I don't know why that was over. What the fucking explain? Boom, just like that. And then you want to kind of just fill in, you know, wherever you're missing stuff at. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that part. So, and this side is not as vivid, so I'll probably go back in and fix that. But for right now, y'all catch my drift. Be careful because you don't want it to transfer if you're hooded. So just let that dry. While it's drying though, make sure you get the white off your lashes, because when you pop your lashes on, you don't want them to be white. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara, the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And if you don't have this mascara, try it, please. I promise you. I've had some good conversions and they love it, so try it. Or use whatever mascara you use, whatever. But I would definitely say try this. Try my best to get that white out of my eyes. Big. Right? I'm gonna take my lashes in the style B&B. Oh, and I'm just gonna use the Duo Lash Glue to apply it. This is my favorite glue, so if you ever are in Ulta or you in a drugstore, pick up the Duo adhesive, brush on adhesive with the green. That's the best one. Promises. I never wait for it to dry. I don't even want to play myself. Place it in the middle first. Do the back. And then you want to place the front. And if you did it right, it should just lay right on your eye. Like, you know, you got to do minor fixes, being that I didn't wait for it to dry. But if you wait for your glue to get tacky and do all that crap, it'll just lay. See that? Perfect. Right on the lash line. Don't worry about anything. Let it dry and then press them together. And that's literally like the easiest way that I can explain. Next, I probably am not going to do my whole face, because I do want to do a tutorial later down the line involving, whoa, I have so much white stuff in my hair. And then Monica was going to tell me, I'm going to suck, bro. So, I'll be right back. But if you are interested in how I do my face, I don't mind doing an updated tutorial. I just need to know what you guys like. So make sure you drop that in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you guys.
Big bang. Got these motherfuckers big mad. Big bag, and they know that I'm that bitch niggas big mad. Yeah.